Hey, babies. Today we have a video dealing with the car finally. But I just wanted to show y'all my babies. Hello. Hello, boy. See, they have been outside running around. Yes, they have. But usually I'm always outside with them. But we're fixing to head to the front and check out what we got for the car. It ain't much, so y'all don't get too excited. Ain't that right, Socky Socks? Yes, it is. All right, here we are out front. Don't mind the neglect in the yard. The car is very neglected, but we have a package. That one right there. But the car has a great level of neglect on it. Look at all the bird diarrhea everywhere, the bug guts all over the front. It's our daily. I mean, we have the truck right there, but we drive this back and forth 5 times because the tires are really, really good on these. And they're pretty dry ride over there on the truck. But let's check out the damage on the inside. This is the shit that I'm talking about. It's gross in here. It's disgusting. Her shit's all over the place. Look at her little shoes. And I got these cheapo floor mats because the car didn't come with any from eBay, I think. And it's the same for in the rear. It's just her baking stuff, purses, shoes, and there's some matching mats down there up under the junk, if you can see them. So we're gonna get all this stuff out and we're gonna try out. These are supposed to be the custom fitted floor mats that you've been seeing people have on their cars on Instagram and stuff. And we're fixing to see if these are yay or nay. And as far as the trunk goes, it's about the same. Some of it is mine, but most of it's hers. Clothes from a wedding after we stripped because it was hot and we just threw everything in here. Coolant, work stuff in the box, and some tools and miscellaneous stuff. So we're gonna get most of this out. I'm just gonna shove everything in her little truck though. So that being said, you see the condition of the car. You see it's filthy, dirty, bug stuff on it, a few paint chips. But at least we can tackle this right here. We're in the process of getting ready to move, so there's more stuff coming. I'm fixing to take this, cut this open. It's hot as balls out again, so I'm just gonna be in the shade for a minute. But first, I'm gonna go. We're gonna go get the extension cord off the back with the dogs, and get the vacuum out of her car, and then we're gonna start vacuuming and getting all this stuff out little by little, one by one. So stay with me to see the end results if you should buy custom fitted floor mats. All right, we got the extension cord from the back from the dogs. Had to tell them I was gonna borrow it for a while. We use it to plug up their light out back. Got that undone, untangled, even though it looks tangled, it's not. And we got my handy dandy razor. And we're gonna cut this open. I need both my hands, so I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. So we got one out, kinda. They really wrap these up pretty good. I think I cut one on the corner with my knife, but it'll be an easy little fix if I did. But they're the blue diamond pattern, and with the blue stitching, since it kind of matches with the blue lights just in the car. So let's get the rest of them out, and then we can start on getting that shit out the car. All right, we got all of them out. Finally, whoever put these in or a fucking magician, but they feel pretty good. Will they last? The only time will tell. But let's go and start getting stuff out this car, and I'm gonna get the vacuum out of her truck, and I'm gonna put some stuff in her truck and throw some trash in there away, because I know there's plenty of trash that she's got in there. So just bear with me. It's fucking hot outside, so just stay tuned. You're gonna see how they fit. Now, in excruciating heat, it's starting to look like a car again. And you can see the floor mats now. Well, I mean, like I said, they're just some bullshit temporaries. This is by no means a deep clean. So this is just trying out these mats, vacuuming out this stuff on the floor, all that. And we'll go from there. Okay, with all of her trash removed, we got both the front and the back vacuumed out pretty good. So let's go ahead and get those mats. Let's start with the back first. I'm gonna go with this and say that this one's the back because it's all one piece. So it should flow across right there in the middle. So let's get this on over here and try it out. Okay, well, that is the back, how the back has come out. They look a little cheap, but I don't know if this is the higher quality one, but they fit exactly like how they're supposed to. All in the middle, all up on the seat. I know it'll probably take some time for them to like settle in and stuff because they've been folded up in a pack, but it looks really good. Let's go ahead and get the front done. All right, this is the end result. They fit okay. Like some of the rest of it could have been thought out a little bit better, but if it fit like 100%, this would look mint. Let's take a look at the back. Okay. Once again, here's the back. Goes all the way across. Like I said, they've been folded up. They got wrinkles. I don't know. You could probably hit it with like some heat. Blow dryer maybe to get the wrinkles out or something, but they look all right. It's better than what I had in there before. So yeah, it's not perfect, but it's all right for right now. Had to check the mail. I ain't even checking in the past couple of days. But that's it for this video. Want to show you how they look, how they fit, if they fit, if you should buy them, and my total like my review dealing with these things. I give it a solid 7 because they fit the spaces, but they don't hug tight. So I strongly recommend getting some like Velcro strips to go on the back, and then it should fit like a whole lot better with that Velcro. But other than that, it matches the interior somewhat. It's fine. This is a simple fix for right now. Like I said, we all can't be Cal SRT right now. I have 0 backing. I work 2 9-to-5s. So, and I hope that y'all can relate. I love to watch Cal SRT in the background. It's like what I could do, what I could be, or what I could have kind of thing. But all of you keep your head up. It's coming. Just stay consistent and it'll be on the way. But other than that, looks fine. I'm just glad I got a chance to vacuum out the car, get that trash out. We're good. But there's gonna be another clean video. We gotta wash. We got big brake packages coming from EBC. We got the other suspension in, so we're gonna have the Scat Pack suspension all the way around. So it's a lot of stuff. Some Bilstein struts. We got a lot of stuff coming on the way to the car, but we just really in the midst of trying to move. So as of right now, just be patient with me. I'm trying to put out some stuff for you. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and like, share, subscribe if you can relate to my struggle of wanting to put out some solid content and stuff. But y'all be safe, be blessed, stay douchey. Tune in for more, look out for more. Peace.